to show you all my creative world on Minecraft. I have a mansion in it, and I think this is the right one. I'm not sure, but I think it is. And of course that happens, and then it goes back. What? Is this the right one? Yes, it is. Forgot to see the server. Wait, let me see if it works. Does it work? No. Dang it. One moment. This is a thing that I started to make, but then decided not to because it's too big. I may make it into a house. Maybe not. As you can see, it's like almost as big as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these village houses. Yeah. There. That's it.
Oh yeah?
You want to see the inside? You want to see the inside? Okay. What the crap?
I had to work.
Pretty.